Hey guys, it's Claudette Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Paint by Line birthday cake attachment. I'm going to go in first with the color chocolate, and I'm going to paint my cake. And the fun thing about this is that you could paint it whatever color you wanted. If you wanted to go in and use soft pink for strawberry cake, or you could go in and paint it for vanilla, or you could even do 2 different flavors for the top and second layer. And then I just went in and base coated the rest of it using some different Dixie Belle colors, and I'll go over those colors. I used Lucky Lavender and Amethyst for my icing, and then for my candle I used Limeade, the Gulf, and Peacock, and I used those same 3 colors for my banners. And then I just used the color Fluff for my icing, and then I used Peacock and the Gulf for my birthday hat. And then once all that dried, I'm going in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and outlining everything. And then my idea here was to do B-Day, but I didn't realize that I didn't have enough banners for that, so it should have just been B-Day, not Happy Birthday. So once you're done with that, you go in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton and highlight everything. So the highlighting will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.